In 5 years from now, 90% IT service provider will be operating in completely different business model than they operating now. Sadly, many of IT companies will be out of the business, and luckily, many companies who will be able to adjust will develop and get huge market share. In today's episode, I will share with you 7 predictions how the market will look like in the next 7 years, what you should do, and I will share with you some business idea. How can you adjust and pivot your IT service business to grow and scale in next 5 years? Hello everyone, my name is Adam Skoneczny and you are watching Go Global Asia podcast. After many years helping IT companies scale and sell to the Western market, I have created this podcast to share with you what is actually works. This is the podcast for the professional who want to scale, learn about the sales and about international collaboration. So today, guys, I will be play role of the wizard. I will take out my crystal ball and look into the future. I will share with you 7 predictions, which some of them will be very happy, very positive, but some of them will be pretty negative. And if you see that you going in the direction of this negative vision, I would highly suggest you to start thinking how you can adjust. Okay, guys, let me start with prediction number 1. Unfortunately, this is the prediction that it's not really optimistic. The predictions say, or I believe that most of the companies who focus on web development, website development, web application, mobile application, all of those simple application, they will be out of the business if they not change their model. In my opinion, the AI will actually make the development of those simple applications much more easier, and then people will be probably doing vibe coding. People will be working online with some AI system that will allow them to develop it by themselves, or in the organization they will have a semi-technical, semi-project manager, semi-business analytic person who will do it for them. Second prediction, which is a little bit more optimistic, and also it's advice for all technical guys. In my opinion, the technical engineers, technical people who have dual experience will win and will be very, very in demand. What do I mean dual experience? People who will understand how code is working, how software is working, they will understand architecture and high level of the software development. They will be very in demand if they also understand the business. If they understand the business workflows, process flows, if they understand how the business operates, or even if they understand the basic numbers, revenue, profit, margins, cost, and all of that. If you are an engineer and you are planning to develop your skills, I would go in this direction because this approach where you can see holistically technology and business, in my opinion, will be the key. Guys, let me just stop here for a second and invite you to our community. I have created community of IT leaders, IT founders, where we actually share our experience, where we share our thoughts, where we support each other. I highly recommend you to join. The link is down below. Prediction number 3. How the business will work with AI. In my opinion, there will be no one application that can optimize all workflows. As you guys know, everybody hoping that AI will help to reduce the time, help to reduce the headcount, help to reduce mistakes. And at this moment, we have a many general application that are kind of for everything. In my opinion, this will not exist. Maybe this will exist, but it will be very low level for just end users. But for the businesses, this will exist in the way that it will be very specialized, meaning there will be application, there will be experts who understand very specific industry, and in this industry, they understand very specific process. And for that process, they will do AI optimization. And there will be one AI system workflow that is actually focusing purely on that workflow, period. And actually, when I'm talking about this, you can think about the business ideas. You can think how you can niche yourself and position your company as an expert in the very specific workflow. This could be maybe not the greatest way to build a huge revenue, but the perfect way to open the door and perfect way to start initial engagement with your client. Next prediction is more about the product and something that I am really looking forward to see on the market. Many years ago, I was brainstorming with some friends about the AI and how this will look like in the future. And in my opinion, there will be many AI systems that are very specific in doing exactly one activity. For example, driving the car. And then this system will have to communicate with another AI system, let's say AI, which is managing the warehouse. The person who create the platform for communication for all of those AI systems, in my opinion, will win. This is what I see in the future. There will be platforms for AI to connect together and to be able to communicate together. I'm not sure actually if it's existing, but if you heard about this, please let me know in the comment. I'm really curious to see how does it work. This prediction is again about the product that I am expecting to happen, and it will significantly adjust or change the IT industry. So I am looking for the product that will be short-term memory for AI applications and the product that will help provide data protection for very cheap and easy way. So as you see, we have so many AI system, AI application it's building, but the problem for them, they do not have a memory to memorize your behavior, how you act, your workflows, and everything that it's make your life much faster and easier. And the second thing, the huge problem with data protection, it's existing right there. So I think whoever create the solution for those two problems will make a lot of money. Next prediction is about IT services purely. In my opinion, the company who switch from the IT solution provider or IT services provider to consultant, they will win. The client now is expecting much more engagement from the IT company, engagement in the sense that the company can explain them how this software, how the technology can help them improve the business. In my opinion, this is where the highest opportunity waiting for all IT companies. Why? Because if you go to the client and you start from the place where you talk about the business, where you talk about how the technology will help them improve the business, and then you move into the technology itself, this will be the winning point. Actually, this is nothing new. Many corporations operating in this system already. But I think every type of the company will have to shift to that model. There will be no thing like, oh, I will build for you website, provide me all designs, and then I will code it. This will not exist. You will have to sit down with your client. You will have to design strategy, how this website converting, what is the goals of this website, what is tofu, mofu, bofu. You will have to know all of those business terms and business concept and then apply them to technology. Being consultant, in my opinion, this will be the biggest opportunity for IT companies. And the last one I left for the very end, where actually I want to share with you very strong, in my opinion, business idea that you can use, start build it now, and it will last for many years ahead. In my opinion, companies, IT service providers who will have also the product, very specific product, they will win. Let me share with you what kind of product. If you are IT company and you are specialized in, let's say, healthcare, if you build the platform for the healthcare, whole foundation for the healthcare, I'm not sure what can be there, like CRM, ERP, and other, and you provide this for the client for free, use this as a door opener, use this as a product to show that you are expert in this industry. And then on top of that, you do personalization. You add another AI system, workflow optimization, in the same time consulting client, in the same time providing maintenance, in the same time observing the business process of the client. This will be winner. Why? Because product, you provide the platform, let's say it's free, you don't charge for development, you charge, let's say, subscription, which is very low price and might be enough for cover the cost, let's say like that. And then you're making money on the top of that, creating the additional services, additional application, plus maintenance of those additional application. It will be the greatest business model you can actually use. It will help you position yourself as an expert. It will help you open door to the client by providing this platform. It will give you many opportunities for the upsell, cross-sell. This, in my opinion, is one of the best opportunity that you actually can create, and you probably would have to start right away. So guys, if I can summarize, the normal coding and position yourself as a just company who will code something for you, it will not exist. Coding and thinking, coding and strategizing, coding and solving, coding and solution providing, this will be the key to actually grow in the next 5 years. Additionally, creating some product as a platform will be another way to be very, very efficient in next years. And the last but not least, narrowing down niche, being expert in very specific area. This will be the key for you. Guys, thank you so much. If you have any other idea, any other prediction, share them with me below, and I see you in the next episode. Take care.